My name is Rocco. I'm with Rocco's Italian Grill, and today we're going to make a recipe very simple that you can make at home, and just put some love into it and have fun with it, and it will taste very good. We're going to do a nice veal scallopini. Now you could do either with veal or you could do it with chicken as well. Today we're going to do it with veal. We have the veal, we have the flour, we dust the veal with a little bit of flour on both sides. We turn on the pan, make sure you get it hot. You're going to have to use a blender of oil. Never use extra virgin olive oil for frying. The burning point is too easy for the extra virgin olive oil to burn. As ingredients, what you need is you need salt, pepper to taste, vegetable stock, fresh sage, white wine, as long as it's dry, it's not sweet, and a little bit of butter to tie in the sauce. We're almost there. We take the scallopini, we put them in. It's only gonna take like a minute on each side just to saute the scallopini. Very simple, like I said. It's a very simple recipe. Once the scallopini is cooked, we discard the oil. You don't want the oil in there. You totally discard the oil. You do, you take half of your butter and you put it in. You take your sage and you put it in so it gets a little bit, it releases the flavors. You get your white wine and you put it in. Make sure it vaporizes. At this point, you do your salt and pepper to taste. You take your vegetable stock and you put it in. Not too much. You don't want it to boil the meat. You want the meat to fry at the same time, tenderize as it cooks. In this other pan, we are going to do the vegetables that we're going to serve with it. As that reduces, make sure your pan is very hot. Scallopini is cooked. We're going to put it in the plate. And we're going to reduce the sauce. You add the rest of your butter. Again, salt and pepper to taste on the vegetables. You reduce your sauce. Vegetables are done, nice and crispy. If you want, you can serve potatoes or any kind of vegetables that you like. Tie in your sauce. And this is it. This is your scallopini with fresh sage. And you can find these at Rocco's.